Okay, we're here again with another tutorial, and we're at Easy Network Cam, internetcamerahelp.com, and we're going to be working on any one of these cameras here that you see, and we're going to be addressing the issue of why you've successfully hooked up your camera within your household network or small business network, and you go out of your household and you go, say for instance, to work, and you try to log in from the internet, and you can't see your internet camera from outside of your network, because what you're probably entering is your internal network address for the camera, which would be something like this. And what this is right here after the colon, after your internet internal address, is the port. And you'll want to see port forwarding tutorials on this, which are also here, and you'll want to do that first. But while we're here, if you've already done that, what we're going to do now first is just look at a device I have here of the pool in my backyard. And if you go up here and look at this address, it's got kind of like a domain name address to it, and you can get this for free. And you want this domain name address. Mine is mycams.gotdns.com, and you can create your own custom domain name address, and you can use them for all of your cameras within your network, and just each camera has its own port number. They all use the same domain name, but they have different port numbers, and that's what differentiates them. Okay, so what we're going to do first is go to dyndns.com. Our friendly people over there have a sign up free button, and if you click this, and we want to choose this free option, sign up, and like I told you, what we're going to do is turn this internal number address into something that looks like this, a domain name address with a port number, which you can see externally outside of your network. Okay, so we're here, we're logged into dyndns.com, and we're going to pick a host name. This host name can be anything you want it. It could be, I'm going to put easycams ath.cx. I don't like that one. I'll never remember that one. Just find a rememberable one. You can put gotdns.com. We're going to do that one. And wildcard status, just keep this disabled. And you're going to host with an IP address. That's what you want. And when you click here, you're going to get your current location's IP address. And what that is going to do is link this host name address with your computer's address. So you have to set this up within your network at home on your home computer or your small business computer. So you'll click here, get that address there, and what you're going to want to use it for is remote access for devices. Just choose webcam and add to cart. And it just takes a few seconds, and what you've got here in your cart is this domain name address now for your cameras, easycams.gotdns.com. And what does it cost? Nothing. So fill this out with a username for your account and a password and stuff like that, and finish this security image code right here and create your account. And you'll be all done. That's it. That's all you have to do. And then like, you won't have these problems anymore. And this address now, which is internal, you can type this into your internal IP address into your home computer right now. Like, I could do this, copy it, open a tab, paste it here, and click go. And it logs me right in. See, if I want to do the login, and this is my outdoor one at the front door. But that's using the internal address. So we've used the internal address, but once you get your domain name address with the port combined, it will do the same thing whether you're internal within your household or small business or external. So after you do this, you're going to want to use this address all the time. Watch, I'm going to copy this one and open another tab here, paste it, and go, and we're in the next tab, but it's going to go to the same camera. And this is what you want to do. So that you can see it from outside of your network. So get used to using this one, and you'll be all set, because now you've accomplished on how to see your camera outside of your home or small business network. You can log in from anywhere in the world with this new address, and like it is right here, mycams.gotdns.com, and you just specify the port number that's open or forwarded to your camera. And you'll want to see how to do ports in another video tutorial that I have online. So if you need reference to that, please search for that. But we'll give this just a second here, and you'll see that it's the same outdoor front door camera, but we're using this domain name that we've given it from dyndns.com. It's still thinking. I'm going to close this other one out, and here it comes. And there you go. And if you go to multi-view, you can see I've set my other multi-view cameras up. When you go to multiple device settings, which we can't get into here because we're in the demo mode, but if you go into multiple device settings, you're going to want to use your new domain address so that whether you're inside or outside of your network, it will pick up the other cameras too that are on your multi-camera view. And I hope that helps you today, and I'll see you next time for another tutorial. Goodbye for now.